Hey guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to change or transform the look of your old piece of clothing or your t-shirt like I used in this video, so keep on watching. For this particular DIY, we'll be using mostly stones. So I already have an image, or rather a letter written out on the t-shirt, as you can see right here. But if you want to recreate same design using stones, you want it on an image as well, but the piece of clothing you want to use is plain, you could just create the image yourself, like just draw it on or use a stencil and fill up with this stones as well. The result is gonna be pretty much same. So all you'll be needing basically is stones and fabric glue. I use the fabric glue so that it stays on really nicely and strong. So the first thing is to actually just spread on the glue on the spots you want to place on the stones and begin to fill. That's it. So I'm not gonna lie, this took so much time to do, but at the end it was really worth it because the stones were really tiny, and you know, for a better result or for a better look I went for the tiny stones. You can use a bigger stones as well, but this looks more, you know, this gives it a different look, it gives it a changed look, and that's what we're going for. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to see my amazing upcoming DIY videos. So keep watching and have fun.